Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the backup. So here you have to enable backup to Google Drive, backup my data on. Now here you have to add the backup account. Well, why can't I do it like this? Okay, let's try it another way. We go to the Google section. Okay, we go to the users and accounts, tap add account, select Google, of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. So let's get it. HardReset.Info. Oh my god, no, please, no, let me enter it once again. HardReset.Info 1 gmail.com. Okay. So in the following step you have to enter your password, of course. So let's get it. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And well, here in this following step you have to select if you want to enable Google Backup feature or not. So this video is about how to enable it, so you just do nothing, tap accept, and Google Backup will be enabled after that. So yeah, okay, no, accept and continue. No thanks. Okay, to demonstrate you that Google Backup is turned on, we go to the backup, and okay, no way to demonstrate you if it's enabled or not, but as you could see, we enabled this feature while adding Google account, so basically it should be turned on now. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.